Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a pick and drop workflow in ClickUp. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your workspace, and you can just simply click on the plus icon over here and go for the list over here, or you can just simply create a folder. And let's say this folder, we're gonna go for project 1 and click on create, and after that you will have your project over here, and you can just simply go to one of your lists, and you can just simply add a task over here and click on save. So I'm gonna add multiple tasks, and after that you could just simply go ahead and select it if you want to have more detailed task. And after that you could just simply go to the board over here on the top, guys, in order for you to have the pick and drop workflow in ClickUp. And from here you will have to do complete, and you can just simply add another group. Let's say I'm gonna go for pending, and I'm gonna color code this as violet. So this is just for an example. So just simply click on save, and after that I'm gonna go for this list only, but you will have an option for this folder or entire space, and click on save. And after that, as you can see, I have a pending tab over here now. And if you want to just simply add another one, you can just simply click on this one. Let's say I am finished on the test one, I'm gonna go for pending, and once you have checked it, you can just simply put it on the complete, and you can add another group if you want to. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.